Well, hi there, welcome to Capitol Reef National Park. This is our first day here, and we can tell this is going to be an amazing stay.
Yeah, it's extraordinary. It resembles several parks that we've been to, but it's different from all of them.
So we're excited to check it out and share it with you. We're here at Gooseneck Point, and you can see Sulphur Creek has evidently made this, has carved this out, I guess the best thing to say. This is Sunset Point Trail.
Wow.
Looks like we're going to have quite the vista up here. We're just about there, coming up to Sunset Point. This is an easy trail out here. It's a third of a mile. But it gives you fantastic views.
While it's officially a ghost town, Fruita is the home of the National Park Service employee residences. Some consider it the historic district, the heart of Capitol Reef National Park. Fruita is located at the confluence of the Fremont River and Sulphur Creek. The Gifford House in Fruita is known for its wonderful fruit pies, and I can personally attest to both their quality and their flavor. The 71-site Fruita Campground is the only developed campground in Capitol Reef National Park. It does take reservations and is open from March the 1st to October 31st. The Fruita Scenic Drive takes about an hour and a half and offers wonderful views of the surrounding landscape.
Well, this trail to Hickman Bridge is relatively short. It's only a mile, excuse me. But it'll kick your butt. And but if you're here at Capitol Reef, you should definitely put this on your list.
Supposed to be approaching the arch of the bridge, and I think I can see it up ahead. Oh, there it is. So there's a loop in the trail now, and we're going under it. Evidently, follow the loop and you get to see the top of it. Wow, this is impressive. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect that. Well, we finally made it to the Hickman Bridge. I have to admit, I almost didn't make it, but perseverance pays off because it's just gorgeous here.
One characteristic Barbie has always had is being tough. And even though she had some initial difficulties, we made it. And we're glad you're here with us.
I wasn't going to give up, so I'm telling you, don't give up.
Yeah.
So from Capitol Reef National Park,
As we always say,
make the best of every day.
bye for now.
We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.